Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from domesticatedme.com. At the moment of filming, it is currently Saturday night after the very last session of SEPHORiA 2024. I came back to my Airbnb, I ate some food, and now I'm here ready to show you everything that I received in the VIP gift bag. This is what the gift bag looks like. It is pretty massive and very heavy. We got so many products during the event at SEPHORiA, going to booth to booth. I got a VIP ticket, which meant that I could enter the event an hour before general ticket holders. And I can firmly say now, without question, the VIP tickets are 100% worth it. I will talk about why it's worth it in an upcoming video, in a vlog video, and when I talk about all the goodies that I got while at the event. But let's focus on what's at hand here. Opening up this bag. I have not looked inside. I took a couple of peeks while I was carrying the bags around, but I haven't gone through it, so we're gonna be surprised together. All right, let's see what I received in the SEPHORiA VIP bag of 2024. The first thing that I noticed right away, because it was right at the top and you couldn't miss it, and I was so excited to see it, is a Danessa Myricks palette. This is the Lightwork Volume 5 I Am palette. I'm so excited to have this. This is an incredible palette. I've looked at it so much on the Sephora website, but I never purchased it just because I was a little bit scared. But after my masterclass, I am no longer scared. I actually just purchased the very last palette that she came out with, which was an online exclusive, but I will share that later. I never even opened it. It's sitting at my desk right now because I want to dedicate a whole video on it. And by the way, as I mentioned, I attended the masterclass. We got some goodies, but again, I'll talk about that later. Here is the incredible palette. I have heard so many people rave about this palette, and I'm so excited to finally own it and be able to play with it. She's the Chrome Queen. The next product is the Perk Up Amika Dry Shampoo. This is a classic. I have one of these. I'm actually running low, so this is perfect. It's very good. It's a classic. It's a bestseller, and happy to have another one. This is from Way. This is their hair and body mist. Ooh, the scent is St. Bart's. Then we have from Fleur, this is the Caramel Skin. It's a hair and body fragrance mist. Ooh, that smells nice. From Fable and Maine, this is their post-wash Smooth and Shine hair oil, 1.8 full ounce. So this might be a full-size product here. Yes, I think this is another full-size product. Ooh, from Tatcha, the Matcha Cleanse. It says it's a daily clarifying gel cleanser with Japanese Kyo matcha. Ooh, from Valentino, Born in Roma. I have a full-sized version of this because it's so beautiful. I smelled it and I had to have it in my fragrance collection. So I'm gonna leave this unopened. I might gift this, or maybe I'll stick it in a giveaway. From Pattern, we have the Palo Santo Medium Conditioner. That's a big one. From K Skin, this is an Isle Lip Balm, SPF 30 in Ivory Rose, and that is what it looks like. Ooh, from Replica, this is reproduction of familiar scents and moments of varying locations and periods. Look at that little sampler right there. It includes Bubble Bath, Lazy Sunday Morning, Jazz Club, Sailing Day, Beach Walk, Under the Lemon Tree, By the Fireplace, one of their best sellers, Autumn Vibes, When the Rain Stops, and On a Date. There we go. Ooh, I see something big from Drunk Elephant. It is one of their proteiny polypeptide cream. Perfect. I love this. This is one of my absolute favorite moisturizers. One of their best sellers. It's always nice to have a backup, so great. From Rare Beauty, this is Find Comfort Body and Hair Fragrance Mist. I'm leaving Atlanta smelling amazing. I'm getting so many fragrances here. Ooh, that smells nice. It says a superfine fragrance mist infused with biotin, niacinamide, and peach flower extract to revitalize your hair and body throughout the day with a fresh, addictive scent. Amazing. Skincare in a body and hair mist? That's cool. From Youth to the People, a superfood skin drip. It's smooth and glow serum. It has kale and peptide, dandelion root, niacinamide, and it's a postbiotic. There's so much stuff in there. Ooh, a glow recipe Hue Drops. I have this. This is a full-sized. They last. I wore it all summer long, and I don't think I'm even like halfway done with it. This is what the bottle looks like. From Moroccan Oil. This is a Moroccan oil treatment for all hair types. There's the bottle and the pump. Oh, I don't have this. This is from Sol de Janeiro. This is their Bahia Flor Elasta Cream. Cheirosa 68 fragrance. It boosts collagen and elasticity. Retinol mimicking cacao oil and plant collagen. Here it is. I've never tried this one. From In Beauty Project, this is their Face Glaze Highlighting Gel Cream. Like a ring light for your skin. Adds a soft, focused glow and supports skin barrier. Infused with vegan squalane, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid. And that is what it looks like. Let's try to speed this up a little bit. From Urban Decay, an all-nighter, long-lasting makeup setting spray. This is the one that has hyaluronic acid, watermelon, fruit extract, for all-day wear. From the 7 Virtues, this is their Vanilla Woods Travel Spray. From Tarte, we have the Tartelette XL Tubing Mascara. From Dr. Dennis Gross, we have their Derm Infusions, that's in French, their Derm Infusions Blur and Repair Cream. From Kerastase, we have their Versatile Beautifying Oil. From Charlotte Tilbury, we have their Magic Cream Instant Turnaround Moisturizer. From Dermalogica, we have their Daily Micro Exfoliant. From Innisfree, we have the Green Tea Seed Hyaluronic Cream. From Living Proof, we have their Perfect Hair Day Advanced Clean Dry Shampoo. From Glossier, we have the StrawberryBomb.com. From Laneige, we have the Bouncy and Firm Eye Sleeping Mask. From Fresh, we have one of their classic soy face cleansers. Now this I have a couple of, so this will definitely go into a future giveaway. From LYS Beauty, we have their Lash Confidence Curl Length Volume Clean Mascara. From Fenty Hair, we have their The Comeback Kid Instant Damage Repair Treatment. From Tower 28, this is their Daily Barrier Recovery Cream. From Sephora Collection, we have their Size Up Immediate Supersized Volume Mascara, and it's in Ultra Black. From Kiehl's, we have their Ultra Facial Cream, 24-hour daily lightweight hydrating formula with 4.5% squalane and glacial glycoprotein. From Pharmacy, we have a lip smoothie in honey vanilla. This is a vitamin C and peptide lip balm. From Amicole, this is their light catching highlighter. Ooh, look at that. That's beautiful. From YSL Beauty, we have the Libre perfume. That's as good as I'm going to say it, guys. From Glossier, we have an Ultra Lip Hydrating Shine and Color. This is in the shade Villa. Ooh, that's pretty. Let's try it out. That's really pretty. Oh, I really wanted this. This is from Glossier. This is their You fragrance. I have really been considering purchasing this because so many people rave about it. So many people talk about how good it is and how it smells differently on different people. Oh, that's a nice size right there. I'm gonna try this on right now. And they have new scents. I smell them. All right, where have I not sprayed? All right, I'm gonna spray my forearm here. They have new scents out that I got to try out at their booth. That's really nice. Ooh, that's really nice. I heard about it having like a little bit of a spice to it. That's really, really nice. But because your own fragrance plays a role in the outcome of what this fragrance smells like ultimately, I find that so interesting. I like that. Oh, yay! Ooh, I found the cap to that Fleur fragrance. All right, we're down to our last products, guys. Okay, from Natasha Denona, this is their mini nude palette. Look at the size of that. So great for travel, and it's a nude palette, so super handy. Yay. From Kosas, we have a Wet Stick Moisturizing Lip Shine. This is in the color Baby Rose, which is a natural light pink. So there's the packaging. Oh, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. From NARS, we have their Afterglow Sensual Shine Lipstick. And it's in the color On Edge 209. Oh, I'm so glad I got this because I didn't make it to the NARS booth. I don't know how I could have forgotten to go by the NARS booth because I really love NARS product and I use them. Oh. This is kind of like a corally orangey red, and I'm just not a fan of those colors on me personally. So, you guessed it, I'm putting it in a future giveaway. And the last couple of things I have to show you are fragrance samples. So this is from Forever Mood. This is I Am Her. This is from Love Shack Fancy, and this is Endless Dreams. This is from Brown Girl Jane, and it is Carnival. And finally from K. Alley, we have Vanilla 28. All right, and that was everything that was included in my VIP gift bag from SEPHORiA. I think they said it had a $1,300 or $1,500 value. I'm gonna do my best to add it all up and leave it in the comment section below. But regardless of what the retail value of these products are, ultimately it's up to us to decide whether it's worth it or not. So let me know what you guys think. For you personally, given all of the products that were included, was it worth it for you? For me, the VIP experience was worth the ticket, well worth the ticket. The gift bag for me, well worth the ticket because I'm such a fan of so many of these products and brands, and because I'm getting to try out new products and new brands that I haven't tried out before. So for me, I'm super happy with my experience, my gift bag, plus everything that I got at the event, which I will show in my next video. I will go through every free product that I got at the booths at SEPHORiA, so stay tuned for that. By the way, if you're new here, welcome, bienvenidos. My name is Jessica Flores, and I am a lifestyle creator. I cover fashion, beauty, DIY projects, luxury, family travel, and so much more. So if any of those topics interest you, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell icon next to the subscribe button. That way you can set up your notifications for all. I make new videos every week, but I don't have a set schedule, so if you have your notifications on, you won't miss a thing. As always, use that comment section below to ask any questions, make a request, or just say hi because you guys know that I love to hear from you. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned.